what do we have today? Where is our story coming from? People are anxious. They want to already hear.
The ears are already itching. Upon entering the house, only to find a man on top of my wife naked.
Yo! It's a no-go zone. This is your program, the program for the people. Subscribe, and hit the notification button so that you must not miss a single episode.
What should I do to convince my boyfriend that I am not cheating?
We will answer it. We will just it.
Yes.
Whatever comes on this desk is done. Your relationship will begin to move.
Yeah.
Your relationship will begin to walk.
Yes.
Your relationship begin to live again.
His Uncle C and
The C, the big C. The big C.
Bam.
Ooh. Wow. The previous story was heartbreaking.
Yeah, it was
Heartbreaking.
Yes,
Yes. That is the twist of fate.
Yeah.
Sometimes what we do is use. No. There's a problem. We need prayer. We need deliverance.
Very much.
We need prayer. We need deliverance. Something like that. So, but anyway, we are continuing with the episode for today. Very interesting one also. But before we go into it, please subscribe and hit the notification button if you are new on this platform, so that you must not miss any episode. This is the show for the people. Talking relationship. We want to heal talking relationships. We want to silence those talking relationships. Yes. So you cannot miss this. No one is a champion when coming to relationship.
No one. We will always be learners.
Exactly. We will always be learners. You cannot say me, I'm a champion. I'm always sorted. No.
There's nothing like that.
That's a point. That's what people must understand there. Whether you're a marriage counselor, whether you're a marriage professor, you still need to hear from another person.
I'm telling you the truth. Because even if you go to that marriage counselor and then you ask the wife, how is it? Hey, my dear, you are joking.
Exactly. Remember the show that we were watching here, Judge Judy? You understand? And the woman came there who sued the husband and say, this husband of mine was yelling to yell. You understand? And the judge said, if you don't know, do you come to my house? And every person was like, a judge also has problems.
Problems are for everyone. At your house they are yelling, but you go to my house, it is more yelling.
Exactly. So problems they are everywhere. But what is important is not the presence of the problem, is how we solve those problems. That's what matters. That's what matters. Exactly. We will not be a problem will not leave us alone. As much as we are on this earth, the problem will always in our doors. Do you understand? But how we resolve it matters. It will determine if we walk forward or backward. So what do we have now? What do we have in our in our calabash?
Today we have something new. It says, "Hi, Uncle C. Hi. I and my boyfriend have been dating for 6 years by now. We have 3-year-old son who is staying with me, supported by his father. The problem I have is, for all these years, he never mentioned anything of our marriage one day. All he speaks is about his big dreams and making money. I'm scared to ask him. He might think that I'm forcing him. We are not getting younger. I am worried. I cannot be just a girlfriend or a baby mama for someone for the rest of my life. Uncle C, should I talk to him or just wait for him to start the conversation? Time is running out."
Wow. Talking relationship. Relationship are talking.
They are talking.
6 years.
6 years in the
dating.
relationship.
And how many children do they have?
They have one.
They have one.
Who is 3-year-old.
Wow. 6 years. 6 years is a lot,
It's a lot of time. There are a lot of time dating.
That's
You have 1-2 years. You will learn each other already. The material that I need, or I still have to move forward.
That's the point. I think the dating for today is not the one of knowing each other. It's all about sex and all those kind of stuff.
That's the thing.
Because if it was all about knowing each other, you cannot be for 6 years without knowing that something is not right here. Do you understand? Because that's the point. Do you understand? Check. In 6 years, they have already a baby.
They have
Do you understand?
A 3-year-old
Yes,
child.
because this is what they've been talking all this time. That's why they did not talk about marriage. It was talking about baby. It was a baby. It was a baby. Baby,
I want
baby,
a son.
baby,
I
baby,
want a
baby.
baby.
Exactly, baby. Until they are here now.
With a baby.
6 years. You see now? Now, what is the...
Now it's becoming a problem to the woman now. She wants to settle.
wants to
I applaud you, my sister. It's good to settle.
But don't you think that you were supposed to have spoken about this at the beginning of the relationship?
Yes, you are supposed to do so.
Yes.
That's why I said that 6 years is a lot. A year or two is enough, and then you have to tell the person that, my friend, me, I'm ready to settle. If you know that I'm not the right material, please let me know in advance so that you go forward. You know, this is wasting people's time, guys. Let's not waste our times. Time is and years are so precious for us to waste this thing, and then you on your own, the other one on your, you are also having a son. Why can't you just date for this dating of nowadays is not even courtship. People are dating, but already they are involved into sex, which is a wrong thing. That's why you don't need really to prolong it. Just to know the person, do the right procedure, settle in your marriage, then you can start with the sex, so you can enjoy. This is where you are supposed to have fruits of children like this. So let's not waste each other's time. It's good that you are talking about you can see, my sister, that the guy has been really wasting your time, but this to me is not just the guy's issue, it's all our issue. A boyfriend, my boyfriend and you is all your issue. If you feel I'm ready to settle, tell the guy that, my friend, even though if you want to date me, just know that in the process of dating, when we know each other, me, I want to settle. How do you know? Maybe the guy is not even willing to settle. It's just this playboy. So it's always good to let the person know about how you want to be in the future, so that they cannot waste your time. Let them also talk their side that, my friend, if that is what you want to be, though, you are not my type. So that is what I see.
Yeah. This is very correct. It's very correct. You know, things of settling, you know, these are some that we have to talk at the beginning of the relationship. You know, tell a person that I'm not interested for to be here for this, how many years? No. I want to be here for 1, 2. When you're coming to 2, it's a no goes on.
Yes.
Do you understand? We cannot go that far. So let the person pronounce himself from the beginning of the relationship.
Yes.
He's willing to work within your thing. Or let him give his date. Let's say, no, for me, I think in 3 years I can settle based on this reason, A, B, C, D. Understand the process. If you say, okay, no, I understand your reason, then it's fine. It's good.
Yeah.
You understand? But now look at this silence.
6 years.
This silence has beginning already to choke the woman and say, how long will this silence go?
Continue.
Do you understand? For how long will this go? Do you understand? Do you understand? So, but if it's something that they've spoken, it was very easy to go back to it and say, but we spoke last time that after 2 years, but it's 3 years now. What's going on? You know, now it's 6 years. What's going on? No, now it's at this point in time, it's very difficult for her to really, because she does not. The problem here is the entrance. How does she go to that? Do you understand? Do you understand? Because the men never spoke about marriage. If let me say, if she asked she asked this man, the man will say, but I did not talk about marriage. Did I not? Did I say that I'll marry you? Now it's like, oh, okay. So yes,
you'll say we have a son.
Yeah. Do you understand? Yes,
So you want to pin the person because there's a son.
Exactly.
The person maybe wanted a son with somebody, but not marriage.
Yes, that's the point.
So that is the problem.
Exactly.
Because you can see, as you mentioned, that the guy is always talking about his big dreams and making money. So this is his concern.
Exactly.
His
priority.
His priority.
That's the point. That's
So,
the point. Exactly.
I don't know.
So it's really a mistake. These are some of the stories or some of things that our ignorance, the mistake that we do come and visit us, and they punish us in the long run. Do you understand? You also, but at the same time, we are really grateful that she has written to us. Time is still there. You know, she can still attempt, to awaken, this gentleman and say, we are growing every day. Yes, we are growing. We are not getting younger every day. So please, can we start talking about what mature people talk about? Do you understand? Exactly. I think let him pronounce himself. It's not yet too late. 6 years is not yet too late. Let him pronounce himself. If he still want to continue with his big dreams. Do you understand? His big dreams his making scheme and all those kind of stuff. Do you understand? If the woman is no longer interested, to continue in a relationship which has no end or deadline, understand? I think she can start looking for something to someone. But now there's a child there. These are the things that really normally tie us sometimes. You'll find yourself tied in a relationship even if you wanted to walk away because there's a child involved in this story. Do you understand?
And the father is supporting the child.
Yeah, that's a good part of it. The father is really doing a good job with supporting the child and all those kind of stuff. Something like that. So now, if she walks away and this man happened to marry somebody maybe at the age of 60, who knows? That woman might come and persecute the young boy. Do you understand? And this girl and this woman, she will not be happy. Wherever she will go, she's hearing stories that my son is being oppressed, my son is being discriminated, my son is being whatsoever. She will never be happy. She will feel like, I wish I was just there for the sake of my son. Do you understand? For the sake of my son. So this one is a win-win situation. It's a very complicated one. Do you understand? It's a very complicated one. You cannot win. In a situation, you will always take one, and the other one you have to. Do you understand? That's a point. That's a point. So, really, my sister, I really don't know what we can really tell you now. But for me, 6 years is not that much fun. You can still talk about it. And don't wait for him. Don't wait for this guy. No. She must just go for it and say, when are we going to do this? Are we going to do this or not? Do you understand? We are growing. Even if you say, no, why did not talk about this? But no, I thought of it. Yes, in these 6 years, too much. I've been thinking about it. I thought you'll talk about it. Do you understand? Yes, but just talk about it. There's nothing there. There's no shame in doing what is right. Do you understand? Yes. Because she's protecting herself. Yeah. She's protecting herself also. It's true, they are getting old every day. Do you understand? So you cannot wait. Do you understand? You cannot wait. She has go to this man and ask him nicely and say, when are we going to start talking about ABCD? We are grown up people, we are growing up. Do you understand? Now we have a kid here. When are we going to talk do you understand? So whatever you will say, you will take it from there. Yeah.
Maybe you take it from it's reason for delay. Exactly. So it's up to you whether you will understand it or not. Exactly. As long as you make yourself to your point, to your side clear that you are ready to settle.
Yeah. Because maybe that's why she even said yes to this man. Maybe she heard that this is a dreamer. A man with big goals and big things. Do you understand? But what she did not know is for how long are they going to get there. Do you understand? She thought it will happen so close. It's so quick, and the guy who will be a billionaire. Do you understand? And now it's like, when will these dreams come true? Do you understand? Because it appears to that this man, only when these dreams will become true, that's when he'll settle. But the problem here is that, it appears as if there's no light. It's still darkness in the tunnel. Do you understand?
It's still darkness.
There's still darkness in the tunnel. Do you understand? And then, these are some of the things that I also observed with a lot of young people. They always give themselves goals. No, once I get a job, it's when I'll get married. Yeah. But this person who is saying like this, she's preventing people from left and right. But why can't she say, from now I will abstain from women until I get a job and get married and continue with this? Do you understand? But this person who is saying like that is a person who has feelings. He's saying, I'll just get married when I'll get money. But she's preventing people. Do you understand? Yeah. What kind of behavior is that? You cannot run that route. Do you understand? Yeah. You cannot run. Do what is right. Yes. One thing at a time. Yes. Do you understand? Don't say, when I'll get this, when I'll do this. No. You will never get there. And you'll continually doing wrong things until you destroy yourself.
That's the thing.
Do you understand?
The woman to be made to marry now, only to be brought 10 kids from outside. And what do we expect? There'll be no happiness in marriage.
What if he get a disease?
That's the thing.
The time that he get a job, he has a disease.
Yes. You will not be happy. You won't even live longer.
He's going to have to marry someone.
No.
Going to accept him.
There's no one.
It's a struggle now because to find somebody to accept you while we are seeking, it's a game of the throne. It's Game of Thrones because you really need to play your games properly.
Very properly.
Do you understand? So mostly there's so much rejection. Yeah. They'll say, but you are sick or so what? Now, what can I do with you? Do you understand? At the end of the day, you'll find yourself single with your children. Yeah. Do you understand? Exactly. So those are some of the things, seriously speaking. This is not a situation of her only. It's a lot who are outside there, who are really struggling. These men are ignorant. They are not talking, they are not growing, they're just drinking, doing all those kind of things, chasing dreams that never come. Do you understand? And all those kind of things. But it's not good that way. Do you understand? Because, you know, our parents, they're expecting their children to be married, to settle. Do you understand? They will not just want every day there's a pregnancy, but this pregnant who is pregnant is not even married.
Imagine.
Do you understand? And they say, it's that guy. Is that guy. Is that guy. You know, that is disrespectful. You are disrespecting the parent. You are disrespecting our tradition. You are disrespecting our culture. Do you understand? So nobody will really want to see something like that. Also, people have taken, the youth have taken the law in their own hand. They are not even bothered by all these kind of behaviors. Do you understand? But they must be bothered. We must be all bothered about this. You cannot stay there with someone's, daughter for longer years like that, and they'll just leave a person just like that. Do you understand? It's not a good thing. Do you understand? That is not the plan. That was not the plan of the parents. Do you understand? They saw to that now I have a child, a girl child. She'll be well married. She'll be well whatever. You know, women, they are groomed into marriage. Do you understand? When you begin to grow, they'll begin to ask you questions and what's going on there. They want to hear that somebody is showing interest in you, and they always want to see that person who is showing interest in you, and to say, okay, somebody is showing interest there. Can we see the person? If he's a person right for you or good for you. Do you understand? Which is a very, very good thing.
Very good.
Do you understand? Also, young men, they also, as they grow, they are groomed to marry one day. Do you understand? That's why when you grow up, people, they begin to ask you, we are not hearing story. What is going on there with this boy? You see, they put you under pressure. They begin to tell you those things until you fight, because they know that that's what it is. The S is all about that. You understand? You grow one day, you will have a family, you will have a wife. It's what is all about there. Do you understand? Things like that. So, but some people, they've decided to ignore all that, and they decide to go the other way around.
Especially youth.
Do you understand? Because even your girlfriend is not in the Bible.
There's nothing like that. It's just marriage.
Exactly.
Yes.
There's no boyfriend or girlfriend.
If you wanted to, if you see that you have interest there, you just go to your parents, say, I have interest there. And then the parent must meet and say, okay, you reserve this until the proper time comes.
That's a point. That's a point. Exactly.
That was very right.
Yes. That's a point. But the culture, tradition are just appearing.
Moral decay.
The moral decay, that's a point, Youths are becoming so clever for everything. Do you understand?
For their parents.
Yes, they want to invade their own, ways of doing things. But those ways, they are full of troubles.
Very much.
Are full of problems. And they are not, you see all those kind of stuff. That is the point now. But for you, my sister, just to conclude this, please talk to your boyfriend. Tell her what is in your mind. Do you understand? Talk about it, go around it. You can even still share with us whatever that you understand. Whatever you get there, you can always talk to us. You can always talk to us. We want to also know what is he going to say.
Transpired.
What is he going to say? And so that we can also say something on it. It's very, don't keep it to yourself. Do you understand? Don't keep it to yourself. Even if he tells you that, no, I'm going to marry you, share with us so that we can dive into it microscopically. Do you understand?
This is already late, 6 years. If he tells you I'm going to do it, you ask when exactly. Because now we are already time is running out. So now is for me to know when.
That's a point. So it's very, very, very much important. Don't even waste your time. Just go for it. Talk to him. And you understand? I know there will be always a conversation. He will say something. He will always say something. Do you understand? Then out of what he's going to say, you make your own mind and think, am I still worthy to be here, or should I move on, or what is what? Do you understand? Yes. So I think this is what we can just tell about the meme, that, for now, and every person out there who is in the same similar thing, please, talk to your boyfriend. Talk to your boyfriend that you are not getting younger. You are getting older every day. So you cannot be just a baby mama or a girlfriend of somebody at the age of 40. At the age of 50, you are still a girlfriend. At the age of 60, you are still a girlfriend. What kind of a...
that is not life.
Yeah, that's not life, That is disrespectful. You must feel somebody disrespectful, disrespecting you.
Imagine you have kids with the grandchildren. Grandchildren, I say, that is my grandmother's boyfriend.
What is that supposed to mean?
Doesn't really look...
Exactly. So we will cut it here. The rest, we will leave it to you, our viewers. Please fill in the gaps so that we must give this woman who wrote it to us, who wrote for many of us out there, a complete answer. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button so that you must not miss any episode. This is wow. This is big. You cannot miss it. You cannot miss it. For us here in the heart of Okahanja, Osona village, we say, bah! What do we have today? Where is our story coming from? People are anxious. They want to already hear.
The ears are already itching. Upon entering the house, only to find a man on top of my wife naked.
Yo! It's a no-go zone. This is your program, the program for the people. Subscribe, and hit the notification button so that you must not miss a single episode.
What should I do to convince my boyfriend that I am not cheating?
We will answer it. We will just it.
Yes.
Whatever comes on this desk is done. Your relationship will begin to move. Your relationship will begin to walk. Your relationship begin to live again.
His Uncle C and
the big C. The big C. The big C.